Welcome to Accelerated Engineering. My name is John, and this is the video encyclopedia entry for the tangent function, or tan. The tangent function accepts an input argument in radians and outputs the tangent of that angle. The tangent is defined as being the opposite, or the length of the opposite side over the length of the adjacent side in a right triangle built around the input angle A. In order to show this, I have generated a sequence of numbers from 0 to something. And then, because I assume it to be in degrees, or I think in degrees, I'm an engineer, I've taken the column B and converted my degrees to radians, and then taken the tangent of that angle. And you can see that at some values, this is ill-defined, or it explodes. It goes to very, very large numbers. That makes sense, because the tangent can also be thought of as the sine divided by the cosine. Anywhere where the cosine becomes 0, I'll show here, any of the values where the cosine crosses the 0 line, the tangent will become a very, very large number and, in fact, undefined. Let's see if we can find one. No, because in degrees, it just becomes very, very large or very, very small. Any which way. It just kind of explodes. The tangent function is able to accept inputs between, up to 100 million. There we go. Up to 100 million, or 10 to the power of 8. Somewhere between 10 to the power of 8 and 10 to the power of 9, it is no longer able to compute those values, and the function breaks. So that's just the limitation of the tangent function. For very small numbers, well, let's see what it does. I think as long as I don't hit an exploded value, there we go. You can see as we approach 0 from the left and the right, we get a very, very small negative number and a very, very small positive number. This would be one of the crossing points of the 0 line for the tangent function. Some related functions to tangent are, of course, sine and cosine, and the inverse of the tangent function, which is the cotangent function. This concludes the video encyclopedia entry for the tangent function. Please pardon the birds who want to be on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.